I'm Anthony from Timberland Farms. Today we have a guest appearance. This is Gabe from Orion Trees. He's got his YouTube channel of his own, and he's not familiar with a tractor like this. What do you got for a tractor?
2501 Kubota, hydrostatic, grapple attachment.
You know how old it is roughly? Give it an
400
age.
some hours, a couple years.
It's a couple
Bought
years
it
old.
new
You bought it
for the
new.
tree service. It's
Yeah.
got turf tires, not like these.
Yeah.
So it's lawn friendly. It's finesse. This thing
It's a
doesn't have a brake.
1968. No brakes.
I'm gonna give you a demo of how hard this thing is to learn on. Is it filming?
Yeah, it's still filming.
Want me to try to move this thing? We're trying to move some of them logs over here so I can cut them all up and split some for Anthony. Return a favor. He split some wood at my place before, so.
Yeah, we raced each other with an axe. If you want to see that happen again, let me know in the comment section below.
We should do it again today.
We might do it today.
But I'm gonna put a video together. He built his splitter, and he's got a lot of money invested in it, but it makes firewood in a hurry.
It does.
But anyway, yeah. Let me try to move a log with this thing.
All right, hold on.
No brakes.
All right, hold
And
on.
I'm used to
You know where the key
hydrostat.
switch is, right? You go.
All right, here's your shifter. We're in reverse.
See what he does. You're grabbing one off the pile?
Yeah, I'll get there eventually.
He's driven manual cars before, but never a manual tractor, so we're gonna see how this goes.
All right, hey, down.
It's an oldie, but it's still a goodie. He got him.
How we doing, boss? Ho, ho.
Crash, bang, boom.
I won't break it, I promise.
What is your first day?
Yeah, buddy. There we go.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Back it up. Back it up, Terry.
Damn it. All right.
So how's the visibility?
Second gear. Oh, crap. Oh, there goes your tire.
Watch your swing there.
Oh, my goodness. You're in a dangerous spot right now.
All for the gram.
I think I got it in first again. There we go.
One function at a time. Up or dump.
Oh, where's the brakes? Where's the brakes?
Oh, grind until you find them. Oh boy.
You can keep this.
All right, so
You can
hold on.
keep it.
So what's your first impression?
I don't know if anyone would ever hire me to drive this thing on their lawn. I'd probably drive right through the house.
But you're a professional tree arborist.
Yeah,
so
hey man, I'm a professional. Damn.
You got to have good equipment for.
Well, I make sure my stuff has brakes.
I'm in the farming world. I'm out in a hayfield with this, and I need to have the.
I didn't
gear
damage
drive.
anything.
No, not yet.
All right, I'll get all that cut up for you. I think we're gonna go sharpen saws, get some wood cut up, and
All right, so I just got back. We got the chainsaw here. I had to run back to the house and sharpen the chainsaw chain. So Gabe's gonna tell me how good I did at sharpening the chain.
yeah, it looks pretty good.
He's not used to the bench chop sharpener. I'm gonna have to ask him for some of that footage that he filmed, so I didn't film any of that, but he did.
It's quick. It's quick. You said he was using his buddy's $600 one. So
Yeah, a nice Oregon one, because I had one from Tractor Supply that ended up getting smashed up in my accident with my truck. So, but are you able to handle a saw with that much power? Husqvarna 572.
I'm used to the Homlight.
So while he's cutting firewood, I'm going to go over there and split up some wood. So he's over there cutting. We're going to give it 20 minutes or so, and then we're going to see how much pile we make. We see over here we have some wood. You see over here we have some wood already, but we're going to make a pile, see how big we can make it in 20 minutes. So I got my hearing protection. Gabe is over there cutting, making this pile bigger for us. And we're going to do a little competition when we're done. Knotty piece. A little bit slower down, but a little bit of a slowdown, but no big problem at all. Oh man, what about the actual track itself? Of Gabe cutting firewood, 20 minutes of me splitting wood. What do you think of the chainsaw?
Great. It was quick. You know, sharpening it that way.
Yeah.
Rakers maybe need to come down. You said you sharpened it 2 or 3 times already?
Yeah, I think so. So he's used to what, like a 372, you said?
Yeah.
The old school. This is a 572. You like it? You love it? You hate it?
It's got good torque.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you can use $200 saw, and if it's sharp, it does okay.
So
I like Husky. Steels are great too.
I hear from Gabe all the time that his favorite saw is a sharp saw.
Yeah.
Don't matter
much.
what it is.
Pretty much. But we run a lot of Huskies. I had a steel pole saw, it was great, but so we'll stand some of these up and have a little splitting competition maybe.
Yeah, we got all these bucked up. He's picking up some that are going to be a little bit of a challenge, but let me show you what I got split in 20 minutes. So this is what is split in 20 minutes. Not a bad pile, probably a face cord and a half sitting right here. So there's 3 20-minute intervals in an hour. So if you're doing a face cord and a half, and you multiply that by 3, what would that be? So that should be like 5 face cord, I think. So a little over a full cord in an hour. And if it's not splitting small, you can pump out about 2 full cord an hour with this guy. 3 if you're really pushing it, but you cannot sustain 3 full cord an hour with a splitter.
Is it ready?
Yep.
So to finish the day, we got 20 stumps here. I'm gonna split them in half, and then we're gonna see if he can tie or beat my time doing the halves. So
Yep.
these should be harder, the full ones, but he's got twice as many pieces.
Yeah, so this is gonna be interesting.
Got a lot of ash here and some tough maple ones.
Yeah, there's some maples. I think I saw a cherry in here or something. Wasn't there a cherry? Maybe they're not.
But we got 20, and then he's gonna have 40 halves, and we'll see. We'll check the time.
Yeah, do you want to time it with your phone? I'll time you on your phone, and then...
Okay.
There he goes. Got my watch going.
Maple. Ash, maple.
Maple's a little tough, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. It's gonna be sad when all the ash is extinct.
Yeah, those ash borer beetles. Tell ya.
Pretty good ash one.
One left.
How'd we do?
58 seconds.
He's doing all the halves. Those maple. I think that one piece is gonna screw your time up.
Yeah, I'm going to spend all 58 seconds on this one.
Yeah. Oh, you missed. Come on, brother. Flip it over. That knot's right on the top. Another knotty maple got through. I should have done all that. 4-pound fist car. All right. Sprint to the finish. I think he's getting tired, guys. There you go.
Oh boy.
Maple with a knot in it. Nice.
2 minutes, 17 seconds.
We tied.
Yo, no.
Good job, man.
Ooh. Tell me the amount of...
We got a workout.
Yeah.
We made some YouTube video
Oh yeah.
and got a decent amount split.
A decent amount cutting up too. And I'll tell you, the cutting firewood is my least favorite part about doing firewood. So
Probably the stacking would be my least favorite.
yeah.
But he's gonna put them in the bins.
Yeah.
They'll be measured. Maybe a face cord here, if that. We
Uh,
got more cut up. Not a face cord, but
enough to make a difference, that's for sure.
yep. He's got 32 face cord orders going out
Yep.
next month.
Yep.
So thanks for watching.
And thanks for joining me. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you all day. We got some work done, so all is good. Hope to see you guys in the next one. A lot more future firewood videos to come.
Maybe my dad has a split for us.
Yeah.
It's a vertical splitter with a conveyor attached.
I'm gonna have to go over to his place and check that out then. That
Yeah.
sounds pretty cool.
So we got a lot of wood there, so whatever he splits, he can have and sell it. And we could have a machine versus machine competition.
Yeah, maybe I'll have to drag mine over there and side by side. You got enough rounds?
There's a lot of wood over there.
Oh, good. Well, we're not going to hold you guys up any longer, so we're going to call it a day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. If you have some sort of question or comment, let us know in the section below.